When I'm ready to use it, all I have to do is flip it open, and I get a full-size 6.7-inch screen with hardly any bezel. We pushed mobile engineering to its limit to create this device, and none of it would have been possible without our new one-of-a-kind hideaway hinge. Oh yes, the hinge is the backbone of any folding phone. It quite literally holds the whole thing together, and it also prevents particles like dust and sand from getting into the phone and damaging the display.
So last year, when they launched the Samsung Fold, I would say that was their kind of first big attempt at doing a smartphone with a foldable screen. To be fair, it wasn't commercially launched yet when they hit all those hitches. And so I think this time around, they worked out a lot of those kinks, or hopefully they worked out a lot of those kinks beforehand, before launching. As far as success goes, I think it's still a little bit too early to say. Not only for the device itself, but for flip devices in general. I think it's still trying to find a market, find applications that are valuable to end users, whether you are a professional, enterprise business user, prosumer, or general consumer.
The Galaxy Z Flip is a new kind of device to kick off a new decade of Samsung innovation, and we can't wait to see what you do with it. It can be yours from February the 14th, and it's available starting at $1,380.